Hi, this is Module 7, The Frame of Leadership by Andrew McKenna. We watched the video Human Resources Frame of Leadership by Bowman and Deal. The human resource frame that they talked about basically looks at the organization like a family, and you'll see I put people equals organization, and the organization is all about the people. So those two are very important in order to make everything flow and work for them. Their focus is on the people's skills, attitudes, teamwork, and communication. It's all very important. Decisions are also an open process where other people or all employees' input is very important. They have a goal to align the organization based on the human needs and to communicate informations. They want people to communicate their feelings, their needs, and the leaders are more of servants and catalysts. Basically, they're there to serve the people and to be catalysts for change, what the people are wanting, which I really do like the way they have this laid out. So my structure, the hierarchy on it, and I didn't put exactly totally specific things, but as you see, I have a little principal person who is basically circling all of these important parts of a school. So you have the students, which of course are the most, they're the most important. It's the whole reason why we're there. And I feel like a lot of times that gets basically deterred as far as student importance, and people start looking at their own interests instead of what's best for kids. So on mine, I have, students. That's why we're there. Then after that comes the teachers and the support staff. To me, that includes paras, speech, everyone like that. Then if I had to classify it, I would also put then office, staff, custodians, cafeteria. Although I sometimes feel like the office staff is extremely crucial too. If you have a very unhappy or not functioning office staff, it can really mess up the structure of the entire school. So perhaps I should move that up there with the teachers as well. Yet custodians are also extremely important. I've been in schools where custodians aren't treated the best, and the school, it shows because they don't put their all in it, and the school's kind of gross. Cafeteria people are also extremely important. They're the ones doing our kids' food. They make it run either smoothly or it can be a nightmare. Parents, I put underneath all the staff. As important as our parents are, I think sometimes certain leaders are more afraid to step up to the parents. Instead, they just want to appease them and make them happy instead of saying, hey, we're in the business of kids and this is what's best for them. Even though, yes, we want all our parents to be on board, we also can't let the parents run amok. And I've seen a lot of that lately. I don't know if it's just going into the holiday season, but a lot of parents not picking up kids on time, a lot of parents acting a fool outside in the pickup drop-off lane. So sometimes even doing what's best for kids is also kind of putting our foot down with the parents. And community. Community is important. We need them to help out with, donations, involvement. It just makes the school a much happier place. So this would be my hierarchical structure for my school. And I just feel like I would be kind of just the, kind of what they had said, the catalyst for change and the support for all of these people to make it flow better. So forgive my stuttering and my crummy appearance. I'm fighting a sinus infection. So you guys have a good one. Thanks. Bye.